Quick and dirty tutorial on light painting with the Hero Black Mini 11 and the Hero 11. You can also do this on older GoPros using the time-lapse mode, but these new GoPros have got a preset function that makes it super easy to do some light painting. So let me show you what you're going to see in the app, because this little Mini doesn't have a full screen. You're going to open the GoPro Quick app and go to Control Your GoPro, and then you want to go down here to your video selection modes and light painting. Here you can go in and you can adjust how long you want the trails to be. I went with max on mine, and then the other big most important factor here is going to be how long the shutter stays open. If you're trying to do this in a bright situation, definitely want it down on 0.5 seconds. The darker it is, the longer you can run the shutter and still get a cool effect. But play with these settings and get what works for you. And that's all I did was max 0.5 seconds, and that was it. Then I just set the camera stable position where it's not going to get any vibrations or movement, and I hit the button and it starts recording. So I've got it set to max. It just keeps going, and when I push the button again, it's going to stop. And so I was just powering up the quad, get everything ready to go, hit the button, fly the quad around, do my painting, and then push the button again after I land. Also, we did a few of these where instead of just having the lights, we also put either big sparklers on the back, or we used Roman candles. The Roman candles made really cool effects because they were able to light up the areas that they were shooting into quite a bit. Anyway, I want to see what you guys can do. The competition's open until Black Friday. Use the hashtag Fly High Light Painting, and let's see what you can do. You win, you'll get a set of these RGB LED strips. It'll be 2 strips and a chip, just perfect for a 5-inch quad. Happy shooting!